Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can improve recording quality in OBS Studio. So let's get started. Are your OBS recordings looking blurry, pixelated, or low quality? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best OBS settings that can instantly make your recordings look much sharper and more professional. First, open OBS Studio and go to Settings. Select Video from the left side. Set your base resolution to 1920 by 1080. Or your monitor's native resolution. Then set your output resolution to 1920 by 1080 as well. Next, if downscale filter is available, set it to Langsos for better image quality. Then change your common FPS value to 60 FPS for smooth recordings. Click Apply. Now go to the Output section and change Output Mode to Advanced. Open the Recording tab. For recording format, choose MP4 since it offers a great balance between quality and file size. Scroll down to the encoder settings. If you see a bitrate option, set it to at least 10,000 kbps. For even better quality, you can use 16,000 or 20,000 kbps if your computer can handle it. If your encoder uses CQ level instead of bitrate, remember that lower numbers mean higher quality. A CQ level of 18 is a great choice for most recordings. One extra tip, if you're recording tutorials, presentations, or anything that doesn't involve fast gameplay, go back to the video settings and set the FPS to 30 instead of 60. This can give you excellent image quality while using a lower bitrate. Click Apply, then OK, and your OBS recordings should now look much better. If this tutorial helped you improve your recording quality, make sure to subscribe for more OBS Studio tips, recording tricks, and content creator tutorials. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.